The wings. Take out the corresponding yarn. Wrap the yarn around your finger. And then bring it up to index finger. Pinch the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger. Work into a magic ring. Make a loop around your middle finger. And pinch the crossover of the yarn with your thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into the loop on middle finger. Yarn under the hook and pull up loop. A magic ring is formed on the middle finger. In round 1, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 8 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Yarn over the hook, and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. That's a chain stitch. Such a V shape is formed on the side. The chain stitch is straight ahead and will not be counted into a number of stitches. Remove the magic ring from the middle finger. Then work 8 single crochets. Remember to mark the first stitch of every round. Continue to work 7 more single crochets in the same way. Eight V shapes on the side stand for 8 single crochets. Pull the yarn tail tight to close our ring. Remove the marker and work 1 snip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. The snip stitch serves as a connection. It's not counted into a number of stitches. Round 1 is done. In round 2, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 8 increases. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 8 increases. First, work 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Mark the first single crochet. And then work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. That's 1 increase. Continue to work 7 more increases in the same way. We need to work 2 single crochets in each stitch. Eight increases are done. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 2 is done. The stitches for rounds 3 to 4 are the same. In rounds 3 to 4, work 1 chain stitch, 16 single crochets, and 1 slip stitch for each round. We'll demonstrate round 3. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 1 single crochet in each stitch. Finish a total of 16 single crochets in this round. Mark the first single crochet and continue to work single crochets in the same way. Finish a total of 16 single crochets in this round. 8 single crochets are done. Please finish the rest 8 single crochets by yourself. Sixteen single crochets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 3 is done. Let's distinguish the front and the back of the fabric. This side with the yarn tail is the back of the fabric. The side facing towards us is the front. Please finish round 4 in the same way as round 3. Work 1 chain stitch, 16 single crochets, and 1 slip stitch in turn. Round 4 is done. Now we need to change the yarn.